Hi you guys, it's Pessy back with another freaking video, and today you will be making a lip gloss with me. Now this is a lip gloss that I have never done, never tried before, any of that, so this is all new to me. So I know if y'all know, if y'all watched my previous videos, that I do not sell lip gloss wand tools. Now the wand tools, like the four last ones that's on my site, it was going to be discontinued because I don't like wine tubes. But so a couple of days ago I was sitting there thinking like I should bring out some more wine tubes because I want to bring out scented lip glosses. You know, scented lip glosses you can taste, not really taste, but you know, if it happens to go in your mouth, you can taste something pleasant. Okay, so I decided to bring out these scented lip glosses, only available in wine tubes, and I just thought that was a great idea. But anyways, I'm waiting on a piece of mail to get here, and once that piece of mail get here, we will start this video. Okay, you guys, do not be mad, but I did record a whole video and everything, but I felt like the video was just too long, and I really don't like long videos. I don't know if y'all can tell or not. The only long videos that I have is mukbangs, however you say it. But I will show you like little clips of what I did to make these lip glosses, but they turned out super super cute. So as you know, I said I was bringing out the wand tubes, and I just wanted something to match like what I already have. These already match my squeeze tubes, so I just thought it was like a perfect match. So I'm glad I found these little wand tools, but I just hate working with them. If y'all work with wand tools, y'all know exactly what I mean. I hate working. I hate working with these wand tools. It's just like takes so much work. But these wand tools is 10 milliliters, and then these squeeze tools is 8 milliliters. They look small, but they pack big. Okay. But let me just show you. Let me just show you a little clips. Let me just show you a little clips. It really matters. Okay. So I'm going to be using 3 different bows because I'm going to attempt to make lip glosses to fill 9 tubes. And I already have my flavoring. Now my flavoring is non-GMO, and it has no alcohol in it. Like, it's basically natural flavoring. Okay? Good for you. A lot of people use this. Now, there's nothing wrong with using this. Like, if I would use this, I would use it in a lip scrub. And basically, it's because it contains alcohol and all this other stuff up in. My flavoring is coconut, strawberry, and banana. So I think I add my mica. I think it's called mica. And I'm gonna add that much to it. It really look like banana pudding up in her. Let me get my banana flavoring. Take my pipette, and I'm not gonna need that much. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Like, I'm not even overreacting. This smells so freaking good, y'all. Oh my gosh. Fill the tube up. Y'all, I'm gonna have to show y'all these in the light because, oh my gosh, it turned out so freaking cute. It looks like it's glitter in the gloss, but it's not. Look how cute that look. Okay, so that is some clips that I did. So let me introduce. I really don't get any names. So if y'all got some names for me while y'all watching this video, comment in the section below and let me know some good names for these. Okay, so this one right here, you know what, I'm gonna bring y'all up closer. Like, I'm gonna flip the camera around because I don't like the view from here. But anyways, oh my god, so it's up and close and personal. As you can see, this is what it looks like from the distance. Okay, y'all can see the colors really good because when I come up close, the colors change for some reason. So this one right here is strawberry. Whew. That is strawberry flavoring with a all natural flavoring, non-GMO, no alcohol added into the flavoring, honey. This one is banana. Ooh, that smell of banana. I think banana is my favorite one. This one is coconut. This one smells like a mixed drink. Pina colada. I don't even know if that's how you say the word, but that's what it smells like. It smells so freaking good. So what do y'all think I should name these lip glosses? Like strawberry, banana, and coconut. Tell me what y'all think. Tell me what y'all think. And these is the only 9 that I made. So if y'all want to purchase this, y'all better head to my website because when this video is up, it's already added to my website. And y'all don't want to miss out on y'all chance to get this. Okay, this new release. So head over to www.embraceheritage.com. Shop with me. Okay? Okay? Let me go into the sun so y'all can really see how cute these is. So do y'all think I should make some keychain holders that's big enough for the wand tubes? Let me know in the comments below if y'all would like these for the wand tubes. Look how pretty that is. And it's snug proof. Like, where you think you going? Nowhere. But so this concludes the video. As y'all can see, I changed my lip gloss because I wanted some different lip gloss on my lips, and this is Princess. Pretty, pretty, pretty. When that sun hits you, ooh, glistening. Okay. Sparkling too. But so this is the end of the video, and I hope y'all enjoyed this little video. And I'm sorry I didn't record the whole process because it was just too much. But yeah, shop with me. Shop, 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 shop. SHOP, shop with me. Okay. Anything else? Do I have anything else to say to y'all? Check that glow. Check that glow out, honey. Also funny, but I really don't have nothing else to say to y'all besides I think I'm supposed to be making a video tomorrow, but I don't know of what. I forget. But anyways, have a nice day. Be blessed and peace out.